Okay, and a little turn to the left. Taxi down to the run-up area. There you go, so stay nice and relaxed. Try to stay over the center line.
600 feet. We'll be parallel runway 29, landing on the ramp at Petaluma.
And we'll wait for this light sport guy to land. Then we'll do one more and then we'll head back towards Santa Rosa.
Okay. And at Petaluma, helicopter 9 November, mile and a half, a 2 mile final. And is that last light sport down? Yeah, I see it. I see it on the runway. Petaluma, traffic helicopter 9 November, short final, parallel runway 29.
Petaluma traffic, that light sport is clearly active.
Okay, so now we can make sure there's nobody coming in on final before you go out there.
There's a helicopter coming in.
He's coming into the ramp, so he's okay.
Okay.
Petaluma traffic, helicopter 70 Hotels, taking off runway 29er, right close traffic, and we have the other helicopter inbound for the ramp at site. Petaluma. Okay. Make sure you get nice and steady here. That way we don't have to fool with the collective on takeoff because our hover power is our takeoff power.
Okay.
And we'll wait just a second for the helicopter. Let him go past us.
Now at 300 feet. On the parallel taxiway we'll fly to midfield and
there he is. Okay, so now we can go ahead and take off.
Okay.
Go. Good, little forward, little bit forward, good. All right, keep speeding up, 50 knots, we can just kind of let it start climbing a little bit while you work towards 60. And remember, at this point, if there's a little extra power available to help your climb, you can go ahead and use it.
Okay.
There you go. So, looking outside, that's the easy way to maintain your airspeed, maintain that attitude. You can see that you're descending. You can get a feel for how high you are off the ground. So, on your base here, 60 to 65 knots, maintaining your descent, keeping it in trim. Petaluma traffic, helicopter 70 Hotels, turning right base, runway 29er, Petaluma. Okay, so final. Establishing that good approach angle, maintaining it, slowing down, keeping it in trim until you're down to that last 50 feet. Petaluma traffic, helicopter 70 Hotels, final, runway 29er, Petaluma. Okay. And this time when we come in and land, we'll just immediately take off again after we stop. Okay, so, but everything's looking good. Now we don't want to drop too low. We want to keep that angle all the way down. Slowing down. So sometimes the collective's going up, sometimes it's going down. Look at that, nice and smooth, right to the spot.
Nice, I like it.
All right, pretty good. Okay, we'll take off again and we'll head straight out.
Okay.
Petaluma traffic, helicopter 70 Hotels taking off, runway 29er, straight out departure, Petaluma.